Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into CodeWeaver, a new command line tool for generating comprehensive Markdown documentation of your codebase. It's pretty exciting stuff.
Yeah, I saw the announcement. It sounds incredibly useful. So the core idea is to take your entire project, recursively scan it, and output a single, navigable Markdown file, right?
Exactly. Think of it as a supercharged tree command. But instead of just showing the directory structure, it actually embeds the content of each file within syntax-highlighted code blocks. It's like having your entire codebase neatly packaged into a single, easily shareable document.
That's amazing for collaboration, especially with larger teams. Imagine the ease of onboarding new developers, or just quickly referencing code snippets across different parts of a project. What about version control? Does it handle that?
Well, it doesn't directly integrate with Git, but you can use the ignore patterns to exclude the .git directory. It's more about generating a snapshot of your code at a specific point in time. The focus is on the structure and content, not the version history itself.
I see. So how flexible is the filtering? Can you, for example, exclude specific file types or even use regular expressions?
Absolutely. It uses regular expressions for its ignore patterns, so you have a ton of flexibility. You can exclude anything from build artifacts to specific file types, even entire directories, with surgical precision. They even provide options to log included and excluded paths to separate files for debugging.
That's a really nice touch for troubleshooting. And the installation? Is it straightforward?
Super easy. If you have Go installed, it's a simple Go install command. Otherwise, pre-built executables are available on the releases page. Even if you download the executable, you might need to use keymod plus X to make it executable, depending on your system.
Got it. And the usage, is it command line only?
Yep, entirely command line driven. But it's very intuitive. The edge flag gives you a complete help message, and the options are clearly documented. You specify the input directory, the output file name, your ignore patterns, and optionally, the files for logging included and excluded paths.
So you could, for example, generate documentation for a specific subdirectory of your project and name the output file something descriptive, like module_docs.md.
Precisely. The flexibility is a key strength. You're not locked into a single workflow. You can tailor it to your specific needs.
This is really impressive. It seems like a game changer for code-based documentation and sharing. What about contributing to the project itself? Is that encouraged?
Absolutely. They explicitly welcome contributions, whether it's reporting issues, suggesting features, or submitting pull requests. It's all open source under the MIT license.
Fantastic. Well, this has been a really insightful discussion. Thanks for breaking down CodeWeaver for us.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this overview of CodeWeaver helpful. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye-bye.